So today my topic is on token separation, and in token separation I have given an input, that is int a comma b c, and c is equal to this, and I have to print the output like this. And in token separation usually we'll separate each and every line by identifying its keyword, identifier, operator, symbol or numbers. So in this program I've created a class named simple token separator, and I've created assigned an scanner class. So here I have taken a string array of size 3 named as line, where I'll be inputting my lines, and initialized my count to 1, and I've created 4 arrays. In that 4 arrays, in identifier array I've specified all my identifiers, that is all my elements, and in operators I've assigned all my operators, and in symbols I've assigned my comma, semicolon, and inside number I've specified all the numbers from 0 to 9. So in the main I'm using a sort array.sort function, which is an input function which will automatically sort these arrays: the identifier array, the operator array, the symbol array. Then after that I've created an object of class string builder. The string builder function is used for, in this string builder function, everything related to the string operation will be there inside the string builder function. So just I'll be using this object whatever operation I want to do for my string. So in this for loop I'm entering the line to read, and using scanner class object and inputting my line and assigning to the line array. So suppose I've entered uh, two statements, that is int a comma b comma c, and c is equal to a plus b into 20. So in this token separation it will read line by line. So first it will read this line int a comma b comma c, which will be stored in my line array. So till now I have shown you. Now this line array I am using an advanced for loop, and for each and every element of this line array is accessed by, now it will be accessed by line1 array, which is of string type. Now what I am doing is I am creating another array, character array, to whatever I have entered in one line, it will be copied into the character array. The same thing, int a comma with their index numbers, and reading the character from each line for this loop. Int a is equal to 0, less than, as my size is 9, a plus plus. Now I am using a binary search function, that is it will return my value through the by searching the index. And in binary search, suppose this 9 is there, it will find the mid value, and what value I have to find, it will go to that index and search it accordingly. So in this array.binary search, I have given the operator array to search from this character array, and given condition that it should be greater than -1. If my, suppose in this array my 0th element is I, so first it will go to operator array, and it will check whether in my operator array anything is there. My 0th element I is there, no. Then it will go to the symbol array, and in symbol array it will check whether my I is there or not. It's not there. Now it will come to this else if, and it will check if my first element is I. Yes, my first element is I, my second element is N, my third element is T. and I'm having space, then it will print keyword int. So as you see the output, it first printing keyword int. So this loop finished. Now after that, it the pointer is in third location. Now if it goes to this for loop, it increments to 4. Now it will check if my 4 is less than 9. Yeah, it's my 4 is less than 9. Then again it will go inside and see the fourth pointer is A. So my A is in identifier. So it will go to the identifier function which I have created. In this I have created a boolean, a variable named is single digit is true, and I have given a count as 0, and I have taken another loop in j equal to A. A means A is number A is 4. So j is equal to 4, and it will check till this size 9, and it will do the binary search for this identifier and see whether, and in this binary search my identifier is 0, and it will see, it will, this function will work till then this comma or semicolon comes. Till then it will append my identifiers, increment the count, and it increments the pointer too. Then if no identifier is found, it will break. If I get any identifiers, any single digit identifier, I'll print as identifier A, as you see here. Then I'm decrementing. Now my pointer is in 4. So when I go above, the pointer will increase. So before itself, I have to decrement my pointer, that is to 5 to 4. Again from 4 it will search, and it will see the comma, whether my anywhere comma is there. So if I search comma, that is in my symbols array, I'll check from here operator now. My comma comes in symbol array. So in symbol array it will print punctuation as comma. So likewise it will be printing all my identifiers, symbols, and operators. Now if any number comes, then number also same logic I am using, that is I'm searching the number array. In that, if my number is equal to the number array, I'm appending it and incrementing the count and my index value. So this is how my program is working. As you can see the output, I've entered 2 lines. See, and giving me the output like this, the required one. Thank you.